To use Phantom Wallet for decentralized app interactions on Solana, start by downloading and installing the Phantom Wallet browser extension from the official website. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet to set up a new wallet. Follow the prompts to create a strong password and store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. This seed phrase will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. After setting up your wallet, you will be given a unique address that can be used to send and receive Solana tokens. To connect to a decentralized app, navigate to the dApp website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Phantom Wallet from the list of available wallets and confirm the connection in the Phantom Wallet pop-up. You will then be prompted to sign a transaction to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can interact with the dApp by sending transactions, signing messages, and approving actions. Always review the transaction details carefully before confirming to ensure you are authorizing the correct action. When interacting with dApps, it is essential to be cautious and only connect to trusted applications. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone, and always keep your wallet and browser up to date to protect against potential security vulnerabilities. To manage your Solana tokens, navigate to the Phantom Wallet dashboard, where you can view your balance, send and receive tokens, and stake your tokens to earn rewards. You can also use the Phantom Wallet to interact with other Solana-based dApps, such as decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and gaming applications. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and effectively use Phantom Wallet to interact with decentralized apps on the Solana network. Always prioritize security and caution when interacting with dApps. And never hesitate to reach out to support if you have any questions or concerns.